Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about partial fraction. Let us come and start some new problems related to partial fractions. Okay, so write down question number 1. Integration of 3 sq minus 1 into dx. Okay, here the denominator is consisting of one linear factor, another is a quadratic factor. How? So you have to break it. AQ minus BQ formula x minus 1 whole into x square plus x plus 1 into dx. So the denominator qx consisting of one linear factor, another is a quadratic factor. Then, so consider, write down, consider 3 by x minus 1 whole into x square plus x plus 1. The corresponding partial fraction is given by a by x minus 1 plus, for quadratic factor, the corresponding partial fraction bx plus c divided by s square plus x plus 1. Our aim is to find out the value of a, b, c, which can be found out by comparing the coefficient of respective term on both sides. Take the LCM. Write down a whole into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c whole into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole into x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so now multiplying this, we get a x square plus x plus 1. So here we get bx square plus minus bx plus cx minus c divided by x minus 1 whole into x square plus x plus 1. So this cancelled with this. So this is equal to this. So comparing the coefficient of, write down, comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term on both sides, we get first of all we have to comparing the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is a. So write down a. Here coefficient of x square is b. Here there is no term which contain the coefficient of x square. But here the coefficient of x square is absent. So that will be 0. Now comparing the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is a. Coefficient of x is minus b. Coefficient of x is c. Here the coefficient of x is 0. There is no term which contain the coefficient of x. Now constant term a minus c is equal to 3. Okay. Our aim is to find out the value of a, b, c. First of all, we have to eliminating c. These two equations added. Adding 2 and 3. Here it is 1. Adding 2, 3. Write down adding 2 and 3. We get adding minus c plus c cancelled. A plus a, that is 2a. Here it is minus b is equal to 3. So this is one equation. So now by help of these two, we get, adding these two, a plus b is equal to 0, 2a minus b is equal to 3. Adding, we get a plus 2a, that is 3a is equal to 3, a is equal to 1. 3 by 3, that is 1. When a can be found out, b can be easily found out. Putting the value of a in first equation, b is equal to minus a, that is minus 1. So b value is coming out minus 1. Then c is equal to, write down the value of c, putting here c is equal to b minus a. C is equal to b minus a. The value of b is minus 1, a is minus 1, that is minus 2. So all the values of a, b, c can be found out. Now putting the value of a, b, c in the star, equation star, putting the value of a, b, c in star. So we get, star becomes, so write down, the star becomes 3 by SQ minus 1 is equal to, the value of a is 1 by x minus 1 plus b is minus x, c is minus 2, that is x square plus x plus 1. Now this is equal to this. After simplification of this, automatically we get this quantity. Now integrating on both sides with respect to x. Integrating, write down, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides with respect to x. So integration of 3 by SQ minus 1 dx, integration of dx by x minus 1, so minus common taking, that is x plus 2 divided by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so now if we take, this is fx and whose derivative is 2x plus 1. So first of all we have to multiply 1 by 2 and dividing 2. So we get, integration of this is coming out ln x minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 divided and 2 multiplied, 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, so you have to adjust here the derivative in numerator. So you have to break this 2x plus 1 plus 3. So write down, that is ln x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 integration of 2x plus 1 divided by, this is one part, s square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, so another part is 3 by x square plus x plus 1 into dx. I break this, 2x plus 1 plus 3. So this by this, this by this, this by this, this by this. Here it is a derivative, here it is a function. ऊपर a derivative, तले function. We know this is the formula, ln तल function, ln fx plus c. So the integration of this will coming out ln x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 bracket ln fx x square plus x plus 1. Okay, plus we have to break this denominator as the product of two square term. We get here 3 is constant, So dx by, here it is x square plus 2, a means x, b means 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 added, minus 1 by 4 subtracted, plus 1. Okay, so this part will be written like this. This is type of dx by quadratic. So next write down ln x minus 1. So that is minus 1 by 2 ln x square plus x plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 is also multiplied. That is minus 3 by 2 integration of dx upon, this is x plus half whole square. X plus half whole square, that is minus 1 plus minus 1 by 4 plus 1. That is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4. After simplification, 3 by 4. This simplification. So now we know one formula, that is dx by x square plus s square. Applying x square plus s square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Last step write down ln x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 ln x square plus x plus 1. So minus 3 by 2, applying that formula, 1 by a means root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse x plus half divided by a root 3 by 2 plus c. So this 2 is cancelled with this 2. Okay, so minus 3 root 3, that will be simplification ln x minus 1 minus half ln x square plus x plus 1. So simplification minus root 3 tan inverse, taking LCM, 2x plus 1 divided by root 3 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. This is a very important question. Okay, this is also a very important question. Now let us take another question. Write out another question. Integration of x square divided by s square plus 3 whole into s square plus 2 into dx. So it is a proper fraction. Degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is 4. So it is a proper fraction. So there is nothing to be done. So we have to do this problem as like this. For convenient, s square is equal to t. For convenient, we have to take x square is equal to t. So write down, consider t by t plus 3 divided by t plus 2. So the corresponding partial fraction will be a by t plus 3 plus b by t plus 2. Our aim is to find out the value of a and b. How can you find out? So that is a t plus 2 plus b t plus 3. Okay, so that is t plus 3 whole into t plus 2. So this cancelled with this. Comparing the coefficient of t and constant term on both sides. Write down, comparing the coefficient of t and constant term on both sides we get a, coefficient of t is a, here coefficient of t is b, here the coefficient of t is 1, then constant of 2a plus 3b, here it is 0. So now our aim is to find out the value of a and b. So multiplying 2 in first equation, 2 multiplied in first equation, 2a plus 2b is equal to 2. Here it is 2a plus 3b is equal to 0. So subtracting, minus, minus, minus. This cancelled. 2b minus 3b, that is minus b is equal to 2. b is equal to minus 2. When b found out, a can be found out easily. a is equal to 1 minus b. So 1 minus minus 2, that is 3. So the value of a and b is coming out. Now putting the value of a and b here in star, so we get t by t plus 3, here it is t plus 2, that is the value of a is 3 here, divided by t plus 3 plus b value is minus 2, minus 2 divided by t plus 2. Okay, now we have to put the value of t, x square. This is very special problem. S square, put the value of t is equal to x square. X square, it is x square plus 3. Here it is s square plus 2. Here it is 3 by s square plus 3 minus 2 by s square plus 2. This is equal to this. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. We get s square plus 3 whole into s square plus 2 into dx. 3 is constant that will coming outside of the integration. Dx by s square plus root 3 whole square. Okay, here it is minus 2 is a constant. Dx by s square plus root 2 whole square. So applying the formula x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Formula 3, 1 by a means root 3. Tan inverse x by root 3. Here it is a root 2 minus 2, 1 by a tan inverse x by root 2 plus c. So simplification, 3 root 3, that is root 3. Root 3 tan inverse x by root 3. Here is root 2 2, that is root 2 tan inverse x by root 2 plus c. So this is the answer of the question. Okay, very special problems. S square is equal to t for convenient. Let us take another problem. Write down question number 3. Integration of e to the power x whole square plus 3 e to the power x plus 1 into dx. First of all, we have to take e to the power x as a t. Write down e to the power x is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dt by dx. Derivative of e to the power x, that is e to the power x. So dt is equal to e to the power x into dx. So it is removed. In place of e to the power x dx, we have to put dt. In place of e to the power x, we have to put t. So that will be reduced to dt. Here it is t square plus 3t plus 1. So this is the dt by quadratic. First of all, you have to break this quadratic as a sum of two square terms. So how can you get dt? Here it is t square plus 2a, a means t, b means 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4 added and minus 9 by 4 subtracted. 9 by 4 added and 9 by 4 subtracted. This is integration of dt by t plus 3 by 2 whole square. So simplification, 4 minus 9, that is root 5 by 2 whole square. We know one formula. Dx upon x square minus a square 1 by 2a ln x minus a by x plus a. This is the formula we have to already discussed. So applying that formula, in place of x it is t plus 3 by 2. So we get 1 by a is here, root 5 by 2. 1 by 2a, a means root 5 by 2 ln t plus 3 by 2 minus a means root 5 by 2 divided by t plus 3 by 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus c. So this 2 cancelled with 2. Now putting the value of t is equal to e to the power x, taking LCM, we get ln 2, value of t is e to the power x, I am putting here 3 minus root 5 by 2 e to the power x plus 3 plus root 5, okay, plus c. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channels.